Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast Napoleon Macro, also known as your fellow compadre. An AMC Entertainment stock doesn't want to seem to complete that second part of the three parts that we were following. We're going to look into the charts, look at the daily and the 3-day just to see what's going on here and if we can actually expect that second part. So yeah, we're going to get into it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we're only going over price action. I realize there's some naked shorts going on out there. Fantastic, guys. Let's just go over these candlesticks very briefly, and then you can use this in conjunction with that. Okay, let's dive into the chart, shall we? All right. So today's January the 8th. June the 8th, 2021, and the previous close of AMC is going to be $55. Slightly positive close, approximately 14.8% for the day. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis, and I've just revealed the three parts that we've been following. If you are new, the first part is the cross. We have to pull up the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages. That's the 50, the green line. And the red line is the 200 exponential moving averages. So notice the number one has successfully taken place. The green line cross above the red line. Now, under normal circumstances, well, at least in the GME lemonade squeeze that just recently happened at the beginning of this year, there was a pullback at number two. But AMC is like, no, we're not GME, but we're actually AMC, and we're ready to rip to the upside. That's what AMC would tell me. And it looks like we may not get that second part. Now, what I will say is this is an active candle. We have less than 15 hours to close on this active 3-day candle. So let's let this play out and see how that is going to, end up here. And yeah, that's pretty much what I have, guys. It looks like the market is trying to skip number two, the pullback, and it's just want to go straight to number three and just rip to the upside. This is going to be a pretty interesting story. Okay, the recent level that I was saying that it had the potential to pull back to was the $35 level. I know, guys, maybe it won't happen. That's the level right about there. Let's pull up the daily candles to see if we can see anything else. Let's see if I can actually, let's start fresh, guys. Let's see if we can pull up $35. And I actually want to show you something, because although you can't see it on the 3-day candles, if you pull up the daily candles, it's actually telling a different story. Okay, so notice how the sellers actually came into the market here. We can actually erase the moving averages as well. Obviously, you guys know I look at price action, right? That's all I'm really concerned about. I realize, again, that there's like naked shorting and stuff like that they have to cover. Perfect, guys. We'll participate in that with the market moving up. We're long AMC, okay? Notice this red candle here. This represents kind of like a reversal candle, but I'm not saying it's going to reverse. It's a confusion candle, okay? Let me know the actual name of the candle down in the comment section if you know it. But notice a wick just above the candle's body, okay? And then you have a wick below the candle's body, okay? This just simply means that there's a lot of buying that came into the market, and there's a little bit of selling coming in the market as well. So the market just had to figure out, who has the actual strength here. And it appears that the buyers clearly have the strength in the market as it continues to push higher. But I wanted to show you that although we said that it could go all the way down to $35, maybe there's just not enough selling pressure in the market in order to push the price down to 35. That's why you see this large wick just below this daily candle here that came in on about June the 3rd, 2021. So I just wanted to show you that although you can't see it on the 3-day candles, right, that the pullback may have already happened. It just happened like super fast, right? And like you either got in or you didn't get in, right? And the market is just continuing higher and it's not waiting on anyone, right? We have some pretty interesting price targets for this week, just above the price there. We're going to give a special shout out to one of our commenters who are frequently in the comment section, and we're going to go ahead and give them a shout out. This actually comes to fruition. So let's see how it plays out. They have a target of about $85. I don't think that'd be an issue for the market to take place this week, but that's not my call. I'm not saying that's going to happen, guys. I'm just simply, enjoying what's going on in the market as we hold our AMC shares and actively participate in a smaller portion of our portfolio within the market fluctuations, okay, with respect to the movement there. I know someone said paradox or something like that. All right. That's it. So what is this video saying essentially? Well, the market wants to move higher. Yeah. And if you're lucky, you'll get it at $35 if there is a retracement in this market, a pullback. That's essentially what I'm saying. Expect the markets to move higher. Okay. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out to the AMC investors. Let them know that it appears that there's financial support just below the price, just above $35. And also, if you're new, before you go there, traditional alternative markets, if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, we cover that. So kindly subscribe with us, hit the bell. We'll see you that information throughout the week. Okay, 7 days a week we go over that, okay? Thanks for joining us there, by the way. All right, guys, that's it. Take care of yourselves. Execute your strategies in the market. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.